Today we're diving into a super fun beginner-friendly bubble lettering tutorial. By the end of this video, you will be able to create the bubble lettering alphabet from A to Z in uppercase and lowercase letter, even if you never tried bubble lettering before. Everything that I'm going to be using in the video is going to be linked in the description down below, so go ahead and grab your sketchbook, your favorite pen, and let's go ahead and get started. Is to write the alphabet with block lettering using a pencil. And as you can see here, I'm doing a basic sans serif style of block lettering. I do have a video tutorial where I show you how to make this type of lettering, as well as a workbook that you can use to practice this lettering. And as I mentioned before, the links are going to be in the description down below. So once you're done doing the basic block lettering shapes, the next step is to outline the letters with rounded edges and making them a little bit chunky, and think of it like a cloud, like puffy clouds shape around the letters. I don't know, it's a little bit hard to describe it, but just make sure that you round the edges of your outline, and you can make this as you wish. You know, you can make it as rounded or as pointy as you like. We just want to make sure that we have this sort of like bubble like shape of these letters, and of course, you know, you can make them your own, make them as chunky or as thin as you would like. It is all up to you. I am following the guide inside my bubble lettering workbook. This is the exact alphabet that you can practice inside my workbook. Once you're done with the outlining, you're gonna erase the block letterings that you created at the beginning. And step 3 is to outline everything using your favorite pen. Right now, I am obsessed with these pens. So these are the Link Glitter Gel pens. These pens are inexpensive and they have so much glitter and shine. I absolutely love them to create bubble lettering. This is not a sponsor at all, but ever since I discovered these, I've been using them to do all kinds of bubble lettering, and I love them. And if you want to see other bubble lettering reels where I use these pens, you can go to my Instagram account and you will see plenty of them. If you learned something new so far, please give this video a like, because that increases the chances that YouTube will show it to more lettering enthusiasts like you. And if by the end of this video you learned 2 things, be sure to subscribe to my channel, because I create videos just like this one with easy to follow tutorials to help you be more creative by learning calligraphy, lettering, and doodling. I'm Myra with Vial Designs, and subscribing to my channel is a free way to support my channel so I can continue creating more free videos like this one. Moving on, we're going to do the lowercase bubble lettering alphabet, and for this I'm going to go ahead and skip the first 2 steps, and I'm going to go directly to outlining. This worksheet is from my bubble lettering workbook. Now you can follow the same steps, you know, do the block lettering in lowercase, then I'm making the outline with the rounded edges, and the 3rd step, which is what I'm doing here, trace the outline. And if this is your first time practicing, don't worry about tracing exactly how it is in the worksheet. First, you just want to make sure that you practice so you can start getting the muscle memory that you need so you can create the letters on your own. And as always, make sure you take your time as you are tracing each letter. Take advantage of this moment and just to practice, just to focus on each stroke of the letter as you are making them. And remember to go slow. You can take your time and just have fun as you are tracing the letters. Now that you learn how to create the bubble lettering alphabet in uppercase and lowercase, it's time to learn how to make your bubble lettering pop by adding different details like shadows and highlights, which is exactly what I show you how to do in this video right here. I will see you there.